Hello everybody, this is your Backend Buddy Pratik. So today we will learn how we can use Gin framework in Golang. So how we can install it, those packages. So I will explain you in the detail. Okay. So before learning that, I wanted to share with you that I have created a Golang quick reference PDF ebook. So if you have not get already, please check yourbackendbuddy.com and write your email address, so you will get your free copy of Golang quick reference to revise your all the concept very quickly. So now let's learn how we can install Gin framework into the Golang. So here is the example how we can use a Gin Golang framework into the programming. So for that we require Gin Gonic framework package. So here if you see, like, we have written like Gin Gonic / Gin. So for getting that package you have to use here go get -u, then you have to write this URL github.com/gin-gonic/gin. So it will download the package and then you can import it and use its functionality. So for using these things, let's say we have installed here using this go get command. So just make sure, if you want to install any new different packages directly from URL, you can use go get command and write your URL of GitHub. So it will install the Gin or other packages. Okay, and then you can import those packages. So after importing, let's say I can use this gin.default. Okay, so and then it will give instance of that engine Gin. So then I can use instance.get, post, all the API available into the Gin. Okay, so here for example we are using get and then hello, then hello func is there. Okay, now if you see here hello func, here function is there. Now here I have created different function hello func which take argument as a C pointer of gin.context. It contain all the context of the Gin, and then inside that we can do c.json, its status, and whatever message, like message hello backend buddy is there, and then listen and show on this 000.80.80. so it will be in the local host. Right now I'm running on the Windows, so it will be 127.0.0.1 and 8080 port, and then we are running instance.run. So this is a basic get API into the Gin framework, and for installing go get command is used to install any package, and then you can import these things. Okay, so here is our sample program is there in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, and now if I want to run, then go run main.go and I will enter. So this server will run. If you see that now server is listening and it's running here, okay, on the 8080 port number. Now if we want to call any API into the REST API, so in the Gin or any other framework, we can use different like tools. Like here I'm using Postman. So for example, for the Postman, if I have 127.0.0.1 and 8080 and then hello, and if I click on the send, then if you see hello backend buddy message I received, and here also you able to see that API is called. Okay, so that kind of way we can create a simple REST API into the Gin framework, and for installing go get definitely is used, and write your GitHub package and then import. So yeah, that was from the Gin site. I hope you understand the concept, and if you have any doubt then write in the comment. So whenever I get time I will reply you. And if you are new and not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will give me a motivation to deliver you more backend development content, and don't forget to press on the bell icon. And yeah, I have also created the Golang quick reference book PDF file, so you can visit to the yourbackendbuddy.com. I have given link in the description also, so you can register your email and you will get your Golang quick reference PDF on your email. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.